Yeah, I got the comfort module here, got into water. It was underwater, so I took it all apart. I'm checking for corrosion and stuff. I think it's gonna need a new one. I'm gonna try washing it, cleaning it, see what happens. Okay, now I'm gonna put it together and see what happens. I'm gonna follow my mark here that I made. Close it. Okay. I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, I got it in there. Let's see. Now let's see what happens. Okay guys, it started right up. So if that module goes on the water, you know what I did? I put it with the parts cleaner. I cleaned the inside of the module. You saw that with the parts cleaner. It works. Car starts. Yeah, so this module, you can see the water. See the ice. You see the ice in the water. Ice. And water got over there too. So this module was on the water, the comfort module. So you see I took it apart. It has clips on the side here. Okay. And I took it straight to the parts cleaner, guys. Strong solvent to clean parts. And then put brake cleaner, like clean it with brake cleaner and then blow it out with air. I guess I cleaned those connectors and microchips in there. But car starts. But if it happens again that the car will not crank or not start, they're gonna need a module. And of course you fix the drain and all that. Yeah. If it happens again, you need a new comfort module. But we're saving some money here. Okay, guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't. Okay.